What I do know is that people don't have a tendency to pay for things that they know they can get for free. My dude GQ said, Miss D, because I was his teacher, he said, Miss D, can you do a video about discounts, about family, friends, hooking up family, friends, blah, 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 and whether people should give discounts or not? Hell yeah, I'll do that video. So listen, here's this. Some people say never, ever, 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 ever discount your services for anyone, ever. I don't like to tell grown people what to do though, so I'm not going to tell you that, but I'm going to make this fairly simple. This is what I want you to do. Pete wants a free haircut. How much is your haircut? Let's just say 20. Let's just say $20 to make it an even, easy number. Okay. Pete essentially wants to take $20 out of your pocket today. Okay? Now, if you and Pete are the kind of friends where you would give him 20 bucks, easy, no problem, and not even look for it back because it's not coming back, then cut Pete's hair, no problem. If he only wants one haircut. But is Pete really only gonna want one free haircut? Well, what about next week when he's got that thing and then, you know, and then the other time when he comes in a few weeks and he's just like, ah, man, you know we good for, we boys, I got you, Okay, so is Pete really just wanting a $20 bill for free, or is Pete gonna ask you for a free haircut somewhere around 5 times? Now let's say you knew you could get McDonald's for free. You got to hook up at the register. You can go in McDonald's, get McDonald's for free anytime you want. When you get paid, do you go to McDonald's and pay for the burgers just because you can? Are you going to Arby's? Or you going to Wendy's? Or you going to Culver? Or you going to In-N-Out? Or you going to Whataburger? Or you going somewhere where you appreciate the burgers better and you're willing to pay for them? Because why would you go to McDonald's when you know you can go there for free? Throw away that good money. Get out of here. Well, that is how Pete now thinks about your haircut. Well, why would I actually pay D for a haircut when I can go to, my boy over there, he go put the spritz on me, glue on my beard and all that other stuff, man. I'll hit D up when I'm broke again. That is how Pete now thinks about you. So you can do it if you want to. And so what you're really looking at is not even this 100. Let's just not even say this, but if Pete gets a haircut every 2 weeks, that's 26 haircuts in a year at $20 a piece. That's not a loss of $20. That's a loss of $520 because odds are if Pete was your client, now all of this weirdness with the free haircut and him owing you money, but now he can't afford to owe you money, so he's gonna go somewhere else and get his haircut. And so that one visit that he wanted for free turned into 5 visits that he wanted for free, and now you've lost him as a client. And now, even though he was gonna see you every other week, now he's not gonna anymore because things got awkward. And so you've lost $520 per year that Pete was your client because he wanted a $20 discount. Now, if you can manage to not let things get weird with Pete and keep him as a client and say, yo, I will do one free haircut for you because you my people, but after that you have to pay me just like everybody else. If you can manage that type of relationship with Pete and you think he's that kind of guy for you, absolutely give him one free haircut, help him out, push him along. Or if you know he's a guy who is super loyal, he's been coming to you for tons of years, and that one haircut is really gonna stay one haircut. If you really, really believe that, then go ahead and give Pete a free haircut or discount it. Whatever the case is. But 9 times out of 10, this is what happens. You give one haircut turns into 5 haircuts, things get real awkward, Pete doesn't know what to do, he's gonna go to someone else, and now you have lost out on not one haircut, but now 26 in the course of a year at $20 a pop, and you've actually taken $520 out of your pocket instead of just the 20. So that's my advice to you. If you want to know if you should discount someone's services, decide if you would hand them a $20 bill. Decide if you would hand them a $100 bill. Or decide if you want to lose $520 a year. Because what you can do is lose this client over a $20 haircut. Trust me on this one. I've been in the game for a long time, y'all. It's hard to recover when you start giving away something for free. It's really hard to create value for that thing again. Questions, comments, criticisms, leave them below. You already know where you can find me, Dee Marie Hair, on every social media outlet. Whoa, that got big. Need you to back on up, back on up, back on up, back on up. Ha! Ooh. Sugar snaps. That's fine. Really doesn't matter what his name is. I don't even know why I had to come up with a name. That's wholly irrelevant. That's perfecto, hey!